I'm Shayna Young, Customer Success Manager with With. We're here today at the ICMA conference talking to visionary leaders about what they're doing to build community and belonging. I'd like to introduce our guest.
Hi, my name is Mica Lunt. I'm the town administrator for a small town called Washington in Washington, Oklahoma.
What's your nearest biggest city?
Oklahoma City.
Oh, okay, awesome. What brings people to your town?
So we are largely a bedroom community with kind of a bifurcated population. We have people that have been in our community for generations that, primarily established the community when it was very, very rural. Now we're kind of on the outskirts of the Oklahoma City metro area, and so we have a lot of move-ins and serve as that bedroom community for people that commute into work into the Oklahoma City, Norman metro area. We have a very, very popular school district, the Washington Public Schools, which is well known for an incredible sports program as well as great academics. So people will come to our community for being out in the country, yet still having a great school district and a strong sense of local community.
It's nice to know exactly who your community is and what the draw is there. I was wondering on a more personal level, what does community mean to you?
I'll give you a good story. We had a school event just the other day, and this lady needed to pay for a ticket for her son. And so she posted on our webpage for Washington Events and Happenings, hey, my son is at the game. Can somebody get him a ticket and I'll Cash App you some money? And the number of responses as quickly as there were in terms of support for her really kind of showcased just the way that the community takes care of each other.
Yeah, and it sounds like technology and accessibility have been really important and integral to your part in bringing the residents back up to speed, as you said. I wonder, is there any other initiatives that you're working on that you'll launch this year that you're really proud of?
We're preparing we have three major events that the community really, really gets behind. And the big hallmark event for our community is our Halloween celebration, which is coming up. It'll actually be on Thursday, the 30th, because we don't want to compete with a football game.
No way.
On Friday. So we're having that on Thursday, the 30th. And this year we are adding some live entertainment at the event. It's a big trick-or-treat event. So we have trunk or treat for little kids and older kids and kids that are adults get involved and participate in that. We have a lot of food trucks that come out, and it's just a really great time for the community to come together. We completely shut down our main street, and the town just swells with population and pride while we celebrate that holiday.
You're pretty new there. You're getting settled in. I wonder, from your perspective, what would make you feel the most proud for somebody to describe your town 5 years from now?
The thing that would make me the most proud is if, as a local government entity, which we are very small with a staff of just 6 full-time people, that we reestablish trust with both our move-in population and our old-timer population that have been there for generations.
I know that transparency is helpful with that, and it's also a very big topic at ICMA every year. What are you doing to hit those marks besides social media and adding your council events?
Yeah, so one of the things that I do every month is I produce a financial report that there's a written form of it, and then there's a video where I actually walk through, and I record the screen on my computer and show everyone our bank balances, our transactions, and actually explain in layman's terms what money's coming in and where that money is going. So we try to be super, super transparent about the money situation, because we had, from 2008 until 2023, the town of Washington had no increases in fees, no utility fee increases, nothing like that. And we obviously did increase our water rates, our sewage rates, things like that. And people have a right to know and are very curious about where that money is going.
Yeah.
our voters were extremely supportive of us and approved a 1 cent sales tax increase for our community. And we received the largest sales tax payment from the state in September that the town had ever received before.
Wow.
So that's very, very helpful for putting the town in a better financial situation moving forward. And it's very important to me that our taxpayers know where that money is going and have their questions answered. And so we try to be really transparent about our financial operations.
I know that ICMA brings together a ton of visionary leaders from all over. Is there a peer or a project that you've heard about that's really inspiring to you?
So, conferences help bring together needs and problem-solving opportunities with both other peers that can, make a suggestion on something they might not have tried, to introducing you to vendors that have been helpful to them. So I find a lot of value in just sharing with my colleagues what we're going through in Washington, what I've seen in my past that's worked or not worked,
Yeah.
and having them share the same things with me.